Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So this is live price prediction. Absolutely be alert, all holder, because XRP and last 24 hours just in all my friends take a jump, but after that, my friend, they again very badly fails down. Yes, I am right. You can see my brother in the last 24 hours. I am sorry to I cannot make a video, but this is absolutely sorry for late video. But this time you can see here the chain last 1 hour is absolutely, my friend, they again fails down. After a short jump, you can see here last 7 days they also fails down. But after this fails, you can see here in the last 24 hours they take a jump, but after this jump they again falls down. So it's mean to this is short jump, but the holders are be alert, my brother, because I hope in the mid of month this coin is completely going in the moon now. You can see, my brother, the chart result definitely showing, my brothers, to they completely go in the moon now, and it's a very massive change occur, my friend, from last 24 hours. Definitely this is very good news for all of you, my brother, because this coin is after a very long time take a very huge jump now. So I'm so excited, I'm so happy to see this, my brother. What your opinion? Please this time, my brother, my opinion is that to please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope at the mid of month this coin is completely go in the moon now, so you need to hold and wait for a good time. I hope this coin will give you very good profit now. So thanks for watching, XRP holder. Remember one thing more, to giveaway is coming soon. We complete 10,000 subscribers, so therefore, my friend, I already announced about the giveaway of this XRP. So the giveaway, I make special video for giveaway, but kindly you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for our videos on notification. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz, take care.